Good evening, dogmen of the world. As you can see, this fine piece is in front of me. And what I mean by piece, a working tool for dogmen. I'll start with the signature. As we all know, this Chico López's signature #1. There's not much I can say about this collar apart from quality Ferrari. Ferrari of dog collars, a dog tool for dog men. Stamped by Chico López. Finished throughout with high-end quality stitching. And to finish it off with a buckle, high-end buckle, quality strong finish, stainless steel. It's nothing but quality. Soft, cushion inside, finished to perfection. Proper working tool for proper dog men. Thank you, Chico López. Respect.